In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, safety is paramount. How can regular safety audits transform your workplace into a safer and more efficient environment? This video explores the importance of manufacturing safety audits and how to effectively conduct them. Manufacturing environments are inherently risky. Regular safety audits help identify hidden dangers, ensure compliance with safety laws, and foster a culture of safety. They also minimize downtime and reduce costs associated with workplace incidents. Defining the audit scope is crucial. Review past records to spot recurring issues, build a tailored checklist, and train your team. Schedule audits during active work hours to observe real conditions and gain valuable insights. During audits, follow a structured approach, engage with workers, and document all findings. Post-audit, rank risks, act swiftly on major issues, and track progress to ensure improvements are made effectively. Challenges like worker resistance and outdated procedures can hinder audits. Address these by involving employees early and updating procedures regularly. Ensure comprehensive records and allocate time for follow-up actions. eAuditor simplifies audits with real-time data collection, custom checklists, and instant reports. Its mobile-friendly design and cloud storage enable easy data access and collaboration, making it an ideal tool for any manufacturing site. By integrating structured audits and leveraging tools like eAuditor, you can significantly enhance workplace safety. These practices not only protect employees, but also improve operational efficiency. Begin your journey towards a safer manufacturing environment today.